What's going on, guys? Just gonna go through and do a couple quick work orders. This one here, the dining room light, burned out, so we just got some bulbs to replace. And we're going back with the LED bulbs. Alright, throw the cover on and on to the next one. For outlets by the kitchen sink are not working. No power there. No power there. And right here we have a GFI. No power, and it looks like it needs reset. So we'll reset that. Alright, now we got power there. Got power there. Now we got power there. So that's all it was. GFI here, if it trips out, it kills the power the rest of the way down the line here. So we'll just reset that. Now we're all good to go. It's an easy, quick one. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, on this one here we got another clogged tub drain, as you can see. So we'll reach down in here, take the top off. And then we'll go ahead and unscrew the tub stopper. I'm starting to drain already. Just let that water go down some. And we'll see what we get out of there. See if we can make it go any faster. Alright, most of the tub drained down, so now we'll clean out this. See if we can get all this out of here. Get her draining faster. Alright, looks like we got a leaf or something, but for the most part, that's about what we got out of there. A little bit left here on the side. So I'm gonna get this cleaned up here and we'll run some water. Alright, looks like we're open pretty good. So go ahead and put the stopper in. tighten it up, I'll throw the cap on. Alright, looks like we're good to go. On to the next one. Alright, on this one here, the complaint is the deadbolt's loose, and so is the doorknob. Nice, quick and easy one. So we'll just tighten these up. Alright, on to the next one. Alright, we got a refrigerator light bulb out, and it's hanging down. These GE refrigerators, these lights always pop out, and they just clip up in there. There we go. Alright, got our new bulb. Alright, on to the next one. Got another clogged disposal. Turn it on. Now it just tripped out. There's a little reset button on the side here, little red button. Right here it is. Push that in. Now we'll have to get the disposal tool in here. See if we can break it free. Let's see if we got it. Alright, there it is. Yeah, here's the disposal wrench. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.